Hi, let's explore the possibility of sending WhatsApp message via Excel today. Okay, you will find in YouTube or using a simple Google search a lot of instructions on how to send WhatsApp message using Excel. But what is the correct way to send a WhatsApp message via Excel? Let's explore all the possibilities of sending WhatsApp message via Excel. Okay, I have written here an article explaining the same. Yeah. So, according to my researches, WhatsApp strictly prohibits automated usage of sending bulk messages. Unauthorized use of automated or bulk messaging on WhatsApp is against terms of service from WhatsApp itself. If you want to send bulk messages using WhatsApp, then you need to either have a WhatsApp business app or have a WhatsApp business platform. Alternatively, there are other omni-channel solutions. For example, Contact here allows you to send also personalized WhatsApp messages to the clients. So, a quick summary from the article. According to the terms of service from WhatsApp, it is not allowed to send bulk messages using the WhatsApp API in an unauthorized form. Also using Excel, unfortunately. Like I mentioned previously, if you intend to use bulk messaging in business use cases, then please check out WhatsApp Business app or WhatsApp Business platform. To summarize, the usage of WhatsApp API in unauthorized form might lead to account bans and possibly some certain legal actions. Then we wonder whether is it not possible at all to send WhatsApp message via Excel. A quick internet search reveals there are different approaches to this. One in particular using Selenium based approaches. Selenium is a WebDriver which again uses this WhatsApp API. And the other approach which I'm going to demonstrate today is a VBA approach. In this approach, we manually activate the WhatsApp desktop version, feed in the number and also the text. MS Excel and WhatsApp desktop is already installed. The WhatsApp desktop should also be connected to your... Okay, let me show you the solutions. I've already downloaded the sample file from the website. Okay, let me check whether the function is working just by executing the ping. Whenever the host is not reachable, then I need to be notified. In order to do that, I create a sheet called data and enter all the phone numbers which needs to be notified. This is the first part. The second part is to update the VBA code. So now let's switch to the VBA editor. Here you see the function ping. Check out my video which explains this code. So all I've done here is added a function send WhatsApp message which will be triggered if the host is not reachable. So let me uncomment this line and now let's see what send WhatsApp message is doing. Basically, in this function, I'm getting the last row from the sheet's data to loop through the numbers, given numbers. Now retrieve the phone number, make sure the WhatsApp desktop is running in the background. Using the app activate function, we bring the WhatsApp to the foreground. This is basically all the manual steps which we will normally be doing. In this case, we are automating it by using VBA, using send key function. So first we are sending Control N to create a new chat. Always wait for 1 second before proceeding to the next action. So the next action is to input the number, then select the number, then after selecting the number, press enter. We need to skip the numpad. The version which I'm having had come with a numpad. So we need to skip this numpad. That means send again a tab and then now press enter to activate the chat, enter the text message and finally press enter to send the message. After doing this, clear the input and press escape key. This way we do not use the WhatsApp API, but we actually this way we do not use the WhatsApp API, but we actually use the this way we do not use the WhatsApp API, but we use the VBA functions to send automatic messages via WhatsApp. Now let's see this function in action. For this, I'm going to switch back to Excel and let me just execute the ping. Okay, I've opened the WhatsApp and now press execute ping. All right, that was pretty quick. So let me try to execute again. What it is doing is it's opening the WhatsApp screen, Control N for the new message, tap to skip the numpad, enter the string and send the message. Voila, that's it guys. That's how you send bulk messages via Excel using this method. Ensures that we don't use or abuse the WhatsApp API. Instead, we use inbuilt functions from VBA and Excel. That's it guys for today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.